Do you see it? Do you see my screen? Do you see me speaking in full screen? So this is a great way for you to interact with your kids and actually talk to them, give them, a check-in. Hey, how you doing? You can use this as a video prompt. You can use this for prompting them for do nows or exit tickets, a daily check-in. Now, the thing that you have to remember is with Screencastify is you have 5 minutes of uh, of video included for each video that you make under your free account. So you can't go over 5 minutes. 5 minutes is plenty enough time for you to get your message across, speak to the kids, and be done. Okay. So this is the webcam version. Again, this is a nice way for them to see you in full view, talk to them like they were here, and share with them your experiences or whatnot. They'll see you as a real person this way. Okay, so the webcam view is a nice feature, and you can see here at the bottom I'm still under 5 minutes. It's like 1 minute and 15 seconds here, so you have plenty of time to talk to the kids. What I would suggest is that you have some type of checklist that you want to go over within that 5 minutes so that you're not kind of winging it. You know what I mean? Um, and then you'll be good to go. All right. So I'm going to click stop here.